Hi, and welcome back to our how-to series on iC-R helmets. Today, we'll be going over firmware upgrades over the air for both the iC Rider app as well as the iC-R helmet. Now, to check if you need a firmware upgrade, there are two ways you can do this. The first way and the easiest way is through the iC Rider app. Make sure that your iC Rider app and your iC-R helmet are connected. Then, open the settings part of the iC Rider app and scroll all the way to the bottom. There, you should see a firmware version number. If you click on that, you will be notified if there is any updated firmware or DVR updated firmware for both the iC-R helmet as well as your iC Rider app. Once you confirm to upgrade your firmware, please make sure that both the iC-R helmet as well as the iC Rider app are not turned off or closed down. Once the firmware update process is complete, you may have to restart either your helmet or your app just to make sure everything is where it needs to be. And that's how you check to see if you need to upgrade the firmware on your iC-R helmet. Please check out the rest of the series for more tips and tricks and how-tos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks!